Hello ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a great day and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. We got a quick install video for you today as per request from the wife. As many of us always say, happy wife, happy life. She wants side steps on my 1794 TRD Toyota Tundra, so we're gonna do that today. I partnered with a brand that I've partnered with before called Real Truck. If you don't know what Real Truck is, it's a parent company to a lot of the brands we know and love. For instance, NFAB, Amp Research, Husky Liners. Now there's many different side steps and running boards you could pick on their website, of course, but I really like the ones I picked today, which is the Go Rhino RB20 Slim running boards. They are a quick install. One thing Toyota does is there's no drilling required. They have the holes already in the truck, so it's a simple bolt-on install. I love the look of them. We're gonna go and talk a little bit before we do the install about some of the things from the website, for instance, price, and some of the details of these specific side steps that I picked, and then we will get to the install. If you like what you see and you want to order these steps, go down in the description of this video and you will see my custom link. So here's a few details from the Go Rhino website. Okay, let's talk about some of the details about these steps from the Real Truck website. You can select two different finishes, protective bed liner coating or textured black powder coat. If you go textured black powder coat, the price is gonna be around $450. If you go with the protective bed liner coating like I did, the price is gonna be around $665. And here are some highlights about these steps from the website. Heavy duty 16 gauge galvanized steel construction, corrosive resistant zinc plating, textured powder coat or polyurethane finishes offer enhanced traction and weather resistance. Rugged perforations allow water, mud, and snow drainage. Includes vehicle-specific mounting brackets and hardware. Simple bolt-on installation. 5.5-inch step. Aggressive Raptor-inspired styling. Limited lifetime structural and 5-year finish warranty. And here's how the steps will come to you. You have the brackets in its own box and the actual Go Rhino steps right here. So let's pop it open and see what we got. Here's all the hardware it came with, your new bolts, some brackets. It's gonna be 4 on each side. So fairly simple. Let's open up the steps and get to it. So we're under the driver's side of the truck and here's where we're working with. As you can see, they already have holes from the factory in it. We gotta take these bolts out. And this is the furthest forward we're gonna do. They're there, then there's bolts here, and then down there. Shouldn't take very long. Okay, we got one side's brackets on. They're finger tight right now to make sure we can align the step on them correctly. Then we'll go back under and tighten them, but up next, pop open a step, line it up nice. To each their own, of course, but the Go Rhino RB20 Slims, aren't they beautiful? And this is the protective coating, which I strongly recommend. Spend the extra money and get that. But just took it out of the wrapping. Great looking step. Time to install. Next step, we're going to tighten everything up, make sure everything lines up good. But I gotta say, just from the initial laying the step on the brackets, I think it looks great. And again, I'm not a big side step guy, but these look really good on this truck. Go Rhino, once again, RB20 Slim. And we'll do a check at the end when everything's hooked up. Let's get everything bolted down on the driver's side. Side one complete, tightened, quick install, no big deal. Looks great. I think they look really good. When it comes to the 1794 TRD off-road, they're up tight to the body, so you don't lose a lot of ground clearance. They don't hang low like some other steps. I really like these. And once again, this is the finish I would suggest. A little bit more expensive, but really has a good look to it. Looks like it'll last long time. They weren't heavy, so that's always a good sign too. But this is driver's side all complete. Now we're going to go over and bang out the passenger side, and then we are done. Okay, finished product. I think they look great. I would definitely suggest and recommend these Go Rhino RB20 Slim running boards. Now these are 5.5 inches wide. If you get the regular RB20s, they're actually 7.5 inches wide. So if you want more of a running board, you could always go that direction. And check out the Real Truck website. And they own NFAB and other step brands as well. So it's definitely worth checking out. A big thank you to Real Truck for partnering with me on these Go Rhino RB20 Slim steps. And once again, if you go down in the description of this video, you will see my custom link to these steps if you are interested. But I think they look fantastic on this truck. Again, they don't hang too low, right up against the body. Very simple install. And thankfully with the Toyota Tundra, there's no drilling required because the holes are already in the truck, threaded, ready to go. So it makes everything a lot easier. Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. Let me know what you think in the comments below about these Go Rhino RB20 Slim running boards.